Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to process salary payment in Zoho Books. This is essential for maintaining accurate payroll records and ensuring your financial reports reflect employee compensation properly. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books/. This brings you to the Zoho Books homepage where you can access your accounting dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your Zoho credentials to log into your account. This gives you access to all the financial management tools within Zoho Books. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on the Purchases module. This section is where you manage all your business expenses and vendor payments, making it the right place to record salary disbursements. When the menu expands, select Expenses. This is the specific area where individual expense transactions are tracked and recorded. Now, to create a new salary payment entry, click the plus New button located in the top right corner of the screen. This opens up a blank expense form where you'll input all the relevant payment details. The first thing you need to do is choose the appropriate expense account. From the drop-down menu, select Salaries and Employee Wages or whichever salary expense account your company uses. This categorization ensures the payment appears correctly in your profit and loss statements. Next, enter the salary payment amount in the Amount field. Make sure this reflects the exact amount you're paying out. Then set the payment date in the Date field, which should match when the salary was actually disbursed. This keeps your records chronologically accurate. If you need to add any additional context about this payment, use the description box to include notes. This could be the employee's name, pay period, or any other relevant information that helps identify the transaction later. You also have the option to attach supporting documents like salary slips by clicking Upload File. This is particularly useful for maintaining complete documentation for audit purposes. Finally, once all the information is entered and verified, click Save to record the salary payment. The expense is now logged in your Zoho Books account and will be reflected in your financial reports. And there you have it. You've successfully processed a salary payment in Zoho Books. This method keeps your payroll expenses organized and your accounting records up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.